I was only 16 when I scaled the Everest. I have scaled 6 of the world's highest summits. But this challenge, it's something else.
Hi, I'm Arjun Vajpayee, and I've taken on this challenge to witness India's first sunrise and the last sunset on a single charge of the new Samsung Galaxy M30s. That's 3,700 kilometers on a single charge. At 6,000 mAh, the battery is a monster. Well, guess what? I'm here to test this. Let's do this. Chalo.
This won't be easy. Not for me or the phone. If I know anything about mountains, I know this. They test you every single time. You keep moving, you pass. You give up, you fail. So let's keep moving.
तो भाई जी यहाँ से सबसे पास पड़ने वाला एयरपोर्ट कौन सा होगा?
आपका सबसे पास पड़ने वाला डिब्रूगढ़ है।
डिब्रूगढ़। यहाँ से हम लोग डिब्रूगढ़ कैसे पहुँच सकते हैं?
जल्दी तो आगे मैं भी कुछ दूर जा रहा हूँ, वहाँ तक छोड़ देंगे आपको।
Dibrugarh is the closest airport, but that's all the way in Assam. This is Valong, the last corner of Arunachal Pradesh. If not for these villagers, मैं इधर ही बैठा होता कल सुबह तक. One on one with the mountains, and not a soul in sight. Exactly, एक आदमी नहीं है. नमसाई तक पैदल जाना पड़ा, तो कल पहुंचूंगा.
नमसाई?
Thank you.
Perfect. I've landed in the lap of the world's highest bamboo Buddha statue. I think I have a thing for the world's highest. Hey guys, I've made it to Namsai so far. I'm super excited to have made it here.
So mesmerizing.
Perfect.
Entire day is over and I have barely covered 260 kilometers. How will the charge last if I go so slow? So far, time's beating me hollow. I'm going downhill and the task definitely uphill.
भैया डिब्रूगढ़ जाओगे?
नहीं सर, मैं धमादी था।
डिब्रूगढ़ के लिए कहाँ से गाड़ी मिलेगा?
ये काउंटर में पूछ लीजिए।
भैया डिब्रूगढ़?
छोटा बस से निकल जाइए आप।
चलो, थैंक यू।
छोटा बस means अब मैं गया फंस. They are so unpredictable that there is a serious chance that I may miss my flight. Waiting here for the taxi also means I could miss my flight. एक तरफ पहाड़ और दूसरी तरफ खाई.
अरे भैया, यहाँ से फ्लाइट्स हमेशा टाइम पे जाता है क्या?
सर टाइम पे तो जाता है, बट कभी 2 फ्लाइट मौसम खराब हो जाने से नहीं जाता है उसके बाद सर.
I have 61% of battery remaining. 3,381 kilometers still to go. अभी ऐसा करता हूँ, फोन बंद कर देता हूँ. आगे के लिए भी बैटरी बचा ली है. See you. अरे भैया, ट्रेन स्टेशन चलो बोल जा. अरे भैया, यहाँ पे कुछ बढ़िया खाने को मिलेगा क्या?
Next train is at 2 a.m. This means I have some time for Pet Puja. Two whole days on this chase and I'm beginning to feel a bit discharged. This should help. सो जाते हैं. 7 घंटे हैं. From 1240 meter altitude to 110 meters, I'm dropping so rapidly. But the phone battery is keeping up so far. दरियो.
सर ये हाईवे से मिलेगा आपको.
आप चलोगे?
नहीं, मैंने उस टाइम.
अरे यार. ये आगे जाएगा ना?
इससे तेज तो मैं पैदल चला जाता. After traveling 3,552 kilometers, if this is what makes me miss the sunset, what will I do? Is there something I can do? This is so frustrating. I'm beginning to worry now. चलो चलो चलो.
We made it, guys! The last sunset of India. This experience has been absolutely unreal. I wasn't sure if I could do this, the phone could do this. But I guess that is the nature of challenges. They seem impossible until someone makes them possible.
Journeys may be challenging, but destinations make them worth it. Seems like a lifetime lived between dawn to dusk.
अब भी 10% बाकी है. मॉन्स्टर तो है.